What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your PayPal account as a withdrawal account on your impact.com profile. So let's get started. Now first off, once you log in into your Impact account, you would need to click on your balance in the upper right corner. Now once you clicked on your balance, you would need to click on balance again right here. Now here on the balance page, you'll be able to see the payments that affiliate programs paid to you via Impact, and from here you would need to click bank account settings to connect PayPal to Impact. And here we are. So here Impact offers you as a default option to connect a bank account as a payment method. But because we want to connect our PayPal account, you would just need to scroll down a bit and select the PayPal option right here. Now, once you selected PayPal, you will be able to log in with your PayPal account and that way connect it to your Impact account. So you would just need to click Login with PayPal, and then you will be redirected to the PayPal's website. So here you would just need to log in. Now, once you logged in, you will automatically be redirected to this screen right here, saying connect your PayPal account to this platform. So to continue, just go ahead and click Agree and Connect. And now PayPal is connecting to impact.com. So we're currently verifying your PayPal account. Please check in again later. So this verification, in my experience, can take up to 24 hours. So you would just need to, as they say, check in again later. So here, once you connected your PayPal account, you can select autopay or pay me on a fixed day of the month. So on the autopay, actually threshold is the lowest one out of all the payment methods or withdrawal methods on impact.com. So usually it's about 30 Australian dollars in this case, and you can set it to 15 if you want. Now I will select pay me on a fixed day of month, and then I will just select the first of the month. And once I selected all of these settings and set it to my preference, I will just click save. Then before we can save, we will quickly need to verify ourselves. So you would just need to go to your email address and just copy paste the code right here. And there we go. The changes have been saved, and actually impact.com has already verified our PayPal account. And that's guys how you can connect your PayPal account as a withdrawal method onto your Impact account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.